Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about derivative definition. So now I will show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. So in this one we put s plus h gone here, and then we have like this. This one that is about this one. Next, we have the formula in here. So that is about 8. That this one for b. We want to create about a square minus b square. So we need to multiply by a plus b on numerator and denominator. So this one we have s plus h minus 1 minus s minus number 1. So if we simplify, we just have only h. Next, h minus h divided by h, so they will simplify. Later that we put number 0 on here. And now we have the final answer. So we put this one equals to this one. And this is the final answer. That is the end. Thank you for watching.